make the ground shake.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install Android Nougat 7.1.2 on Galaxy S4 Snapdragon version. First of all, we have to go to the XDA page, download all the necessary files, and before you start, you have to make sure you have Lollipop support in bootloader, TeamWin recovery project at least 3.9.9 version, and the open gaps you have to download the latest 7.1, either peak or nano, doesn't matter. After that, you have to download the ROM files. Then, after you have downloaded all the files, you have to copy paste them to your phone SD card. Now, after we have copy pasted all the files to the phone, we need to power off it. Then we hold the power button, volume up button and the home button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. You can see a blue line at the left corner of the phone. Now we just have to wait for the recovery to open. Now we go to the wipe, advanced wipe, and select Dalvik cache, system, data and internal storage and cache. Now just we have to wait for it to finish, and after that we have to go back to install, click on install and select the ROM files first. Swipe to flash, we wait for it to finish, then we do the same thing for the open gaps file. Now after the gaps are installed too, we have to wipe cache in Dalvik, swipe. Then now we can reboot and wait for the first boot. It can take about 5 to 10 minutes. The boot is done. We have to type the Wi-Fi password, name, account, regular things like that, etc. So I've been using this ROM for quite a while. It's stable, smooth and fast. I recommend it to use. So this is all for this video, guys. If you need help, you have a suggestion, just leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.